We have the senior leadership of Motul Tech with us at IMTEX 2025. Let's talk to them about some of the latest products and initiatives that they have launched here today. So welcome. Firstly, what are some of the products, some initiatives that you have launched today at IMTEX 2025?
Amit, IMTEX 2025 is a very opportunity for us to launch sustainable products. You know, today's world, not only India, globally, we are working for the products and the solution which are sustainable and biosource, where people don't have to think much about carbon footprint. They are getting carbon credit, they will get much more benefit, and especially the people who are involved in the export, they are going to get great benefits while using these products.
So if you can talk about some of the opportunities, some markets that you'll be looking at in the coming financial year, and
So the new market, what we have planned now in this year is a recent acquisition of Camaro by Motul Group, which is Camaro is based in Los Angeles, USA. So they are especially into HVAC finish stamping fluids. So we are launching those products, and those products are again based on sustainable technology, where VOC, which is volatile organic content, are up to 0%. Whatever product being used in India mostly has up to 97-98% VOC, while we are talking about zero VOC. So that's the new aim for Motul Group in India.
so what is the kind of growth that you anticipate from the Indian markets? Like some new initiatives that you have planned for the Indian markets in the coming year. Also some details on your global plans.
So further to my earlier response, as Motul Group is seriously involved in sustainable solutions around the globe, so Motul acquisition of Camaro is one aspect to introduce those brands or those products in Indian and Indian subcontinent market. Also, we are coming up with a latest state-of-the-art technology center in Mumbai, which has a huge potential. Indian market has a huge potential, and that technology center is going to give us an edge over the competition in India, and we are also going to help our customer to win in their market.
So you just mentioned you plan to set up a center in Mumbai. So can you give me some details about that? How big would the center be, and who are the kind of customers you plan to cater?
So this technology center is already ready. Our focus remain the sustainability and the latest technology available with us around the globe to be launched in India, and also develop Indian specific products which is suitable not only Indian market but the global market. It is a huge around 10,000 square feet area of research development and area of R&D, which is going to help Motul Tech and the Motul Group to have a latest possible technology for our customers.
Thank you so much, sir, for remaining time of your busy schedule and talking to us. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So I am Yatendra Kumar, Head of Business for Motul Tech India Private Limited, which is a subsidiary of Motul Asia Pacific.